Dear students of class 6, today we are going to study English writing section. We will continue in writing section notice. There are total 4 notice in your book. 2 notice you have already completed. Now today we will discuss notice number 3 and notice number 4. First, I read the question, notice number 3. You are Sanjay. Your name is Sanjay. Student of class 6. You lost your iCard while playing in the ground. You are Sanjay, studying class 6. You lost iCard at the time when you were playing in the ground. You have to write the notice. Write notice for your school notice board giving information about your iCard. While you were playing in the ground, you lost your iCard. About this, you have to inform all the students. So how to write notice? First of all, we know that notice is always written in a box. But first you write the notice, then make a box. Otherwise, box will be, if you make the box first, box will be bigger or smaller. So first write. The first of all, what will we write? Name of school. At the top here, in the middle. Not in the left or not in the right. In the middle, first of all, written name of school. Right here. SR Public School, Patna. First line. In second line, in the middle here, we will write notice in capital letter. NOTICE, notice capital letter. In third line, in the middle or also left side, anywhere. Third line, in left side or in the middle, you have to write the topic, subject. In subject, we will write iCard missing, or you can write iCard lost. No. Third line, you write down date. Date, write down here in the left side. Third line, date, left side is better than middle. Don't write in middle. In left side, write down here date, today's date. And in fourth line is written here. Fourth line, write down topic. For what you are writing? Your iCard lost. Write down here iCard lost. iCard lost. Or iCard missing. Also you can write iCard missing or iCard lost. Starting line, you know. This is, now we start from writing from here. This is to notify all the students that I lost my iCard yesterday while we were playing in the ground. So the student who has found it, please return me. Now student may be male or female, so again next line write he/she will get a nice gift from me for this. And at the end, write down here name. At the end, your name is Sanjay. Here you will write Sanjay, and below name write down post. Post means class 6. Sanjay, class 6. Okay, notice complete. Now we will discuss last notice. Notice number 4. First I read the question. Write a notice for your school notice board giving information about Yoga Day. Yoga Day to be celebrated in your school on June 21. Oh. This notice is to inform about yoga. Nowadays yoga has become so famous. It keeps us healthy, fit and fine. Almost all persons know the importance of yoga. It is very important, beneficial in our lives. About this yoga, you have to write in the notice. The same way you will write at the top, SR Public School Patna, school name, second line in the middle, NOTICE, notice in capital letters. And third line better will be in the left side, don't in the middle. Left side write down date. And fourth line, topic will yoga day celebration, or another topic you can give organizing yoga day. One of the two, anyone you can write, organizing yoga day or yoga day celebration. Now the same way we will start writing the notice. Same way, this is to notify all the students. This is to notify all the students that yoga day will be celebrated in our school on June 21. Yoga is very beneficial for our health. It keeps us fit, fine and healthy. So you all students must come on that day. Your presence is compulsory, and at the end you will write your name here. Name is not mentioned, so your name write, and at the last write down class 6, post class 6, or another you can write class 6, or other also you can write secretary of cultural club, secretary cultural club, or you can write your class 6, one of the both, anyone you can write. So students, now notice is complete. In next class other things we will study. I hope you understand. Thank you.